everybody, thanks for watching. You're looking at some cloth napkins, and it's about time for Thanksgiving, and we're going to do our annual napkin rolling to make a nice pretty table. We have some napkin rings, bought these years ago. They got a cool little gobbler turkey on there. And I want to show you how simple it is to make a real pretty and simple presentation. Most napkins are not perfectly square, and that's okay, it'll look all right. I fold one, not all the way to the corner, but just enough to make it a pretty little serrated edge. And then we're just going to roll it along this edge to keep it flat. The whole time we're rolling, we're just keeping this edge as straight as we can. And when you're done, you have a nice looking presentation. So you slip the napkin ring over it. And I like to finish with the tip like that. Squish it down flat so it doesn't roll over. And here's how it looks when it's all done. It takes 30 seconds a napkin, and it's a nice presentation, and it's not crazy complicated. Happy holidays.